Your energy is expensive. The second you realize this, you will stop worrying, you will stop overthinking, and you will definitely stop chasing that specific person. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jyotsna, and in today's video I wanted to remind you how expensive your energy is and how you need to be super conscious and mindful of how you're using this energy on a day-to-day basis. So let's get started. First of all, start treating your energy as a currency, just like how you consider money to be valuable in your life, just like how you will not randomly go and give people your money, like you will not go and pay someone 100k dollars just like that. You have to treat your energy to be super expensive, which is when people will start taking you seriously. One of the most important qualities that you need to have if you have high self concept is to start treating your energy as something rare, expensive, and valuable. Your focus is your fuel. Whatever you give your energy to, that's what expands in your life. So the more attention and energy you give to maybe negative thinking, or maybe unwanted desires, maybe toxic people in your life. So when you give energy to all the negative things happening in your life, all the worries in your life, you are basically feeding that and focusing more on that. Whatever you focus on, that's what expands, that's what grows in your life. So the more you keep thinking about that specific person, the more you keep thinking about that one person who has left your life, you are giving them more of your energy. This is what I highlighted in my book, The SP Blueprint, where I do talk about how your energy is expensive, and the person who's left their life, they know that their energy is expensive and they left your life because they think that you're not aligned with the same frequency as theirs. When they realize and they understand that their energy is expensive and they do not want to share that valuable time or that quality time with you, then I think the only way you can get revenge is to let go, detach, and up level your life. The best revenge is no revenge at all. You just upgrading in your life, up leveling, and getting the highest self concept, becoming the best version of yourself possible. That is the greatest revenge you can give anyone, and at the same time, you can be proud of yourself. The second I learned how my energy is expensive and I have to be really mindful on who I'm spending my time with, what kind of things, what kind of thoughts I'm thinking about, what are the things that I'm giving more attention to, everything in my life just switched. This is why whenever I enter a room thinking in my mind that my presence is a blessing. That the second I enter the room, the energy shifts because that's how I am. My energy is expensive, my energy is valuable. I assume in my mind on a daily basis that my energy is expensive, my energy is valuable, and people know that, and that's why they treat me so well. The second you start assuming that your energy is valuable and expensive, the people around you start treating you differently. People started resonating with me, getting close to me, the way they appreciated me for all the small things that I would say. That's when I realized that it was always my energy, it wasn't anything else. Even when you realize that your energy is expensive and valuable, you wouldn't want to spend your time with someone who doesn't deserve it. When you start treating yourself as someone who knows that their energy is magnetic, it's expensive and rare, you will never want to be associated with that person again. You would never want to be friends with that person again. You do not mind cutting them off because you know and you understand that your energy is the most expensive currency that is there in this world. There are so many quotes and a lot of sayings related to this, that your energy attracts the people around you, the opportunities around you. Whatever you see in your life is basically your energy attracting. It is only when you start assuming that your energy is precious is when you will start investing your energy in the right things, whether it's investing in the right course, whether it's investing in up leveling or upgrading your life, probably meeting new people, going to social clubs or social events, whatever it is. Once you realize your energy is precious, you will start investing all of that energy in the right place. That's the reason whenever my coaching clients come to me and they say, I want to manifest my SP back, or I want to manifest this person's friendship, I just tell them, start treating your energy as expensive, start treating yourself as someone who is not abundantly available for everyone. You are not someone who gets to be in someone's life only if they're going through a problem or only if they need you. You are someone that they should want, they should desire. It shouldn't be you chasing them, because the more you're chasing them, the more you're telling the universe and yourself that your energy is not precious and their energy is more precious than yours, which is why you're trying to obsess and chase over them. The reason the more you obsess about anything you want, whether it's your dream job, your dream relationship, you will never get it when you obsess about it, because that just shows that you lack it in the universe. You have put that on a pedestal and you're obsessing over it, and you are self doubting yourself and your energy. If you were under the assumption that your energy is precious, it's magnetic, and you have to choose and spend it wisely, you would never want to chase anyone else. You would never want to obsess over a desire, because in your mind, you know your energy is expensive and it will attract whatever opportunity you want eventually. So, whenever I would enter like a social event, or if I was even meeting my friends in general, every time I entered a room, when I would open the door, I would get into the room, I would tell myself in my mind that my energy is expensive. So once I started affirming these statements and I started assuming that my energy is precious and whenever I enter a room, the energy just shifts, I could literally feel the difference. The way people complimented me, everything changes, and you can feel that difference just by the way people start treating you. One of my friends said this. She was like, you know what, whenever Jyotsna enters a room, the energy just shifts, like the energy just changes. Like everyone is instantly energetic, everyone instantly feels so good. This is genuinely the comment that my friend gave me, that the energy just shifts, and that's when you know that you are the most magnetic. That's when you know that you are charming, and that's exactly how you need to be. All the celebrities you see, they probably just come for 10 minutes in an event, and they probably charge like $80,000 or $100,000. I don't know. Just because they made an appearance, why do you think that they get so much money just by appearing? Yeah, you could have a logical reason saying they're celebrities, they're famous, but they are human beings at the end of the day. Know that their energy is expensive. They know that when they enter a room, they are going to make everyone's heads turn. They know that they can get the attention of everyone. Attention is what is the most expensive in today's world. Celebrities know that, they recognize that. That's the reason whenever they make a special appearance, or even if they're coming to a social event, they charge a lot because they know how expensive their presence is. How you need to start treating your life. Be completely mindful and conscious of what you're thinking about, how you're spending your time, how you're spending your energy. Are you spending your energy thinking about the wrong people? Are you spending your energy on negative thoughts? The more you have a clean mental diet and you start focusing on the things that are aligned with the highest and the best version of yourself, that's when you know you're using your energy wisely. So the next time you catch yourself focusing on unwanted things, unwanted desires, or any negative thoughts, you have to affirm in your mind that your energy is expensive, your presence is a blessing, all the good things, all the good opportunities will find you. You don't have to chase them anymore. So that was it for today's video. I hope this was useful. See you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.